my dear completers, especially to my 7 Luke and 8 Mark babies. Though you're not babies anymore, time flies so fast. I can still remember the competitions that we won before, the Zumba competition and the modern competition for Buwanang Wika, the modern dance. You still remember that? And I could hardly remember the stress that you gave me, maybe because you really didn't stress me out, right? Anyway, so you are now about to leave the junior high school department. I just wish you all the best. May you achieve all your goals in life, aim high, achieve higher, but always remember to keep your feet on the ground. And always ask for the guidance of our Almighty Father. Congratulations and God bless your journey to the senior high school life.
Okay, so first of all, congratulations sa inyong lahat. So job well done. Moving up na kayo for the next level, grade 11. So hopefully, yung mga before, nung grade 7 kayo, mga madadaldan, mga mapukulit, pag grade 11, mag-matured na. And God bless you all. So congratulations. So ang bilis ng panahon kasi dati, mga grade 7 lang kayo na tipong nagtatakbuhan pa sa corridor, nagpukulitan, nagdadaldalan. Pero ngayon, yan na. So grade 10 na kayo and finally, mag-grade 11 na kayo. That's all. So, congratulations and God bless you all. Good luck sa next level ng inyong.
Hello! Congratulations sa anak ko na dating 7 Joel, na naging Luke ng second quarter at ngayon ay nasa 10 Jan na. Finally, tapos na ang inyong junior high school and now you are entering your senior high school years. So, kung saan dapat mas maging seryoso sa pag-aaral pero sana you should remember na to have fun while learning. At wish ko sa inyo na sana maging successful kayo lahat at sana huwag niyo makalimutan. Miss you and love you all. Good luck. Congratulations again. God bless you.
Hello, Nehemiah! So, congratulations sa inyong lahat. Nakakatuwa nawang isipin na kayo ay mag-moving up na. So, di ba parang kailan lang, kayo ay baby ko pa at kayo ay batang-bata pa. Pero ngayon, kayo ay dilagat binata na. So, sobrang proud ko lang tuwing nakikita ko kayo sa Facebook newsfeed ko kung gaano ninyo nakakamit ang bawat pangarap. So, ako'y natutuwa at nagpapasalamat na kahit sa video clip na lang na ito ay naging parte ako ng inyong moving up. So, hindi pa dito nagtatapos ang inyong mga pangarap. Ito ay simula pa lang ng lahat. So, keep chasing your dreams, Nehemiah. Again, congratulations, Nehemiah, Luke, Joel, Hosea, Micah, and Elisha. Congratulations and I miss you!
Congratulations, Amos. Good luck to your senior high school journey and sana kung magkahiwa-hiwalay man ay walang kakalimutan sa thankful ako na naging kayo yung first advisory ko kasi buong 10 months na magkakasama tayo ay napuno ito ng magagandang alaala. So, congratulations again to my one and only son.
Congratulations sa lahat ng Obadaya or sa mga Obatots ko. Good luck sa senior high school life ninyo. Sorry kung hindi ako nakapunta today at hindi ko na kayo nadadalaw. Sorry talaga. Dalawin niyo na lang ako. Alam niyo naman bahay ko at aabangan ko kayo lagi kapag fiesta namin. Miss na miss ko na kayo. Thank you sa mga memories, sa mga times na alam niyo na, umiiyak ako dahil kay sino yun? Hindi ko na alam kung sino yun. Basta yun. Thank you sa mga memories na masasaya. Example. Miss ko na kayong lahat. Sobra. So, sana magkita-kita at mabuo tayong ulit. Again, congratulations. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. I love you.
Congratulations, Zachariah. Kahit na marami akong RIR na napirmahan doon,
Thus, continue reaching your dreams and good luck on your journey in the senior high school. And sana kahit naman moving up kayo and magkahiwa-hiwalay ng school, sana may communication pa rin. And don't forget that we were once a family. Tapos yung sa Elisha ko dati, mga 7th Elisha ko, mag-moving up na rin kayo. Congratulations!
Hello, Zephaniah babies, Zephaniah champions, completers, grade 10 completers. Congratulations, and I am very happy and I am very proud of the things that you have accomplished. I'm sure your parents also are very proud of you. And know that I'm happy that you will be there in that stage with your parents and with your other classmates. And I know that you will be successful in the future. And please know that I'll be always here for you. If you will be needing guidance, if you will be needing someone to talk to, I'll be here to help you as long as I grow. And always believe in yourself, always be the happy person that I know you are. For all my Zephaniah champions, continue to be a champion in your own way and be happy always. Fight, 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 and be happy. Bye!
Congratulations sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga pinagsamahan natin. Proud ako na naging advisor niyo ako. Kasi ako lagi naging parte ako ng high school life ninyo. Kayo ang pinakauna naging estudyante ko o naging advisory class ko sa unang taon na magtuto. Hindi lang ako naging isang guro o isang advisor sa inyo. Naging isang pangalawang magulang, ate, kaibigan, rin ako sa inyo. So, kung ano pa man yung mga napagdaanan natin, masaya ba yan or malungkot, hindi ko makakalimutan yun. Sana gano'n din kayo. Palang araw, may makikita ulit tayo ng teachers, engineers, flight attendants, marami pa iba, profession, marami na. So, pag dumating na yung araw na yun, tandaan nyo na always keep your feet on the ground. Huwag yung kakalimutan ko salamat sa Diyos. At kinocongratulate ko rin yung mga magulang ninyo dahil kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi nyo mararating kung ano ang meron kayo ngayon. Alam ko, hindi naging madali ang lahat sa inyo sa high school life ninyo. Pero, kailangan nyo mas natagal dahil bukas na ang bagong chapter ng buhay ninyo. Good luck on your college life or your senior high school life. At lagi nyo tatandaan na proud ako sa inyong lahat. So, congratulations ulit. Good luck on your journey. And I love you all.
Hello, 9-day niya sa aking mga panganay. I want to congratulate you because after a long years of hard works, finally, graduate na kayo. And bilang naging second parent niyo, I want you to know that I am very proud and very happy of what you have achieved today. And of course, I want to congratulate your parents na walang sawang sumuporta at nagmamahal sa inyo. Mga anak, this is not the end but the beginning of your journey. There will be a lot of challenges that you will encounter before you reach your dream. Excited na ako na makita ang mga future doctors, teachers, nurse, police, at kahit anong pangarap pa yan, palagi niyong tatandaan na mayroong taong nasa likod niyo para sumuporta sa inyo. And kung dumating man yung araw na natupad niyo na lahat ng pangarap niyo, huwag niyong kakalimutan na magpasalamat sa lahat ng tao na nasa likod ng success niyo. Mga anak, as you are reaching your dreams, keep your feet on the ground. May the good Lord continue to bless you, and once again, congratulations and mahal ko kayo.
To my 9 Elijah, sa aking mga panganay, una sa lahat gusto ko kayong i-congratulate dahil finally, lahat ng stress, lahat ng pagod at lahat ng pagsisikap ninyo ay nagbunga na. Sana kung ano yung effort na ibinigay ninyo during your high school days, mas doblehin pa ninyo pagdating nyo ng senior high at ng college. Thank you dahil kayo ang isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit naging memorable at nag-enjoy ako sa aking first year of teaching. Kung ano man yung career na mapili ninyo, sana mag-succeed kayo. tandaan nyo na may mga times na mahihirapan kayo, may mga times na feeling niyo gusto na ninyong mag-give up, pero wag. Okay? So, always be humble and always thank God sa lahat ng mga blessings na binibigay niya, at even yung mga problems o yung struggles na may encounter pa ninyo. Okay lang na mag-enjoy, basta know your limitations. Always remember na kayo ang magdadala sa sarili ninyo. Kaya kung ano man yung decision na gagawin ninyo, think thrice. Okay. Again, congratulations and God bless.
Hi! Congrats sa lahat ng grade and computers ng batch ko yun. Lalo-lalo na sa mga dating exeyo ko, and sila Jaya, sila Angela, Jasmine. So lahat ng hard work na nagbuhan na at nag-pay off, mula ng grade 9 to grade 10. Nakakatuloan kayo. So congrats sa inyo at thank you sa lahat ng memories. Kapag good or bad, marami kayong ibigay sa akin at sana namin ang natin sa inyo. So good luck sa inyong future. Pagkat nyo sa senior high, mas malaking struggle pa yung makaharapin nyo. Hindi ito yung end. Beginning pa lang doon, mas mahirap ang journey. Pero kaya nyo yan. Basta, iwanan lang natin ng nakikigan. Huwag kalimutan yung mga friends na na-meet ninyo during high school. Sila yung pwede makapagin sa inyo. Lahat ng experience na ito, keep nyo lang. So, good luck sa inyo. Makakita nyo mga congrats!
Hi, Nine Malakay, or whatever section star yung ngayong business yun. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung junior high school niya. And I hope you reach your dreams, and congrats and good luck sa lahat, if that's the case. And I'm so proud doon sa mga nagkaroon ng honors and anything award, kahit ano man yan, with regards with sports or anything. I'm still proud of you, every one of you, kasi nakalaw siya ng grade 10. Now, I hope you reach your dreams, and miss ko na kayo. Kailan ang feeling natin? Joke lang. Pero I hope you enjoyed your senior high school, and sana mag-enjoy sa kayo. Bye-bye. Miss you all.
Congratulations sa aking magaganda at mapupuging 9 Matthew. Love na love kayo ni Mamshi. Good and fight na ba? Tara na! Congratulations sa inyo. Alam kong proud sa inyo yung inyong parents. At higit sa lahat, isa sa pinakatandaan nyo, hindi ko kayo makakalimutan kasi kayo yung isa sa pinaka-best na advisory class na nagkaroon ako. Makukulit man kayo, palagi ko man kayong napapagalitan dati. Pero lagi nyo tatandaan, love na love kayo ni Mamshi. Yun lang.
Hello sa mga computers sa grade 10. First of all, congratulations. Second, sana ipagpatuloy nyo yung pag-aaral. Nag-aaral ba? So yun, pagpatuloy nyo lang. At sana maging aktibong mamamayan pa kayo in the future. So sana maging asset kayo ng lipunan. Pag nag-grade 11 at 12 na kayo, alam nyo yung mga dapat nyo gawin. Mag-aaral kayo mabuti at huwag yung sayang yung tuition fee na binabayad ng parents nyo. Yun lang. Congratulations.
Congratulations, my grade 10 students. I want you to know that I am so proud of you. Not only did you work hard to get where you are today, but many others around you had helped you and supported you through your journey to help you find what you are looking for. I hope that you use your last year in junior high school very wisely to be the person you want to be when you grow. Living a place where you have grown to love and eat at the same time is a symbolic way of saying you are mature enough. You are mature enough to go off to other places and go with it. My dear grade students, never stop growing and don't ever get it.
To my dear, beautiful, handsome, and healthy Ezra, happy completion day. I hope all of you are happy as you completed your high school life. Naway marami kayong natutunan sa ating pagsasama. Naway marami kayong mababaon ng maaaring buhay na maaaring sorry for being strict in our discussion, in our class, in our room. And always wear your smile. As I said, always do you, nakakagaan mo pag naka-smile. So, I love you so much, Ezra. Again, congratulations.
Hi, Samuel. First of all, congrats and beautiful. Then, thank you for the 10 months na kasama ko. And thank you for giving me a chance to maging advisor. And not as advisor, but as will. And then, ang gusto ko lang hingin sa inyo, sana magiging tayo na ready na kayo sa buhay nyo. Sana mahalala nyo ako at lahat ng mga pinagsamahan natin. Alam niyo, kung may mamimiss ako ng isang bagay, yun yung tawa na nilakad, tsaka yung mga asara natin na hindi mapapantayan ng kahit anong bagay. And kung may mamimiss pa ako isang bagay sa inyo, hindi man kayo yung perfect na section, pero ginawa yung perfect yung first year of teaching. Sana may mabagang kayong aral, and then huwag niyo makalimutan yung mga nangyari sa ating moments, mga happy memories. Yun lang. Then, kung may tatanungin niyo muna ako sa nararamdaman ko ngayon, siguro ako yung pinakamasayang teacher kasi alam niyo yun, hindi man ako nakamit ng section na kasangalin ng iba kasi maasahan ng iba, pero I met a section na masasabi ko na masaya sa buhay. And kayo, hindi ko kayo makakalimutan. Sobrang-sobra. And mag-miss ko kayo lahat. Love you, Samuel.
Take some time today to think about what you learned outside the classroom. You'll probably find that much more valuable than what you learned in it. Looks, brains, and attitude. Watch out, world. These computers has it all. Congratulations, though you may now consider yourself learning. Always remember that it is important to remain in learning. Make learning a lifelong practice. Moving up is not the end of hard work. It is just a way before you get into the new and bigger challenges in life. Good luck, everyone. And to my 7 Asaya, 8 now, and 10 Ezekiel. I knew you could do it. Love kayo in happiness. Congratulations for making us proud.
Hi everyone! Congratulations my dear graded students, and of course my forever cherished kids, grade 10 Jeremiah. I have a message for you, but this is just a joke. Don't believe me. I am considering all of you as God's greatest gift, that having all of you as my advisory class really blessed my heart to be able to inspire, educate, and to stand as your second father. Being an advisor is a tough thing, of course, but with your coordination, this inspires me to be more inspired and to go through in assessing your needs in learning. I want all of you to remember that success in life will not be attained if you are lazy to face realities. As Thomas J. Watson says, if you want to achieve excellence, you can get there today. As of this second, quit doing less than excellent work. You should always be in your best level and be inspired in constructing a strong foundation in defining your own success. As Miley Cyrus said in the lyrics of her song, we might be apart, but I know you'll be with me wherever I go. I want all of you to remember that even we are not together anymore, our hearts and our minds will join forces in order to create blissful memories that will mark as the best in your own life histories. With all my heart, I am proud of you all, my forever cherished kids, grade 10 Jeremiah. I love you and congratulations.
Okay, message. We end up forgetting about our master, but please don't forget the person responsible for all of this, and that's God. Don't forget about the good things that we had, bad things that we had, memories we've established together, teachings that I've tried to give you. Just don't forget the prayer. Don't forget the value of not true that I've chosen the song for the batch. I've chosen the song in the communion, especially for you guys, especially wonderfully me. If only you could see yourself the way I do, things would be a little different. You'll treat yourself better, you'll treat